check. And with this request, all you wonderful people to kindly settle down, especially on the left-hand side of the stage. Thank you. Can we like सीटी मार सकते हो और? Thank you. Thank you so much. Welcome, sir. So good to see you. And congratulations on this. Sir, मैं आपको बोलना चाहता हूँ, nobody else is listening to this conversation. It's a secret. How do you do it all the time, sir? Don't tell anyone. हल्के से.
There's a bigger secret. Even I don't know. मुझे भी नहीं पता है.
Nehle pe dehla. But this is super cool. And every time you compose something for this rock star here, Allu bhai. So what do you have to say, sir? कुछ special energy लगती है? Is it something different? How do you do it every single time?
Okay, first of all, hello Mumbai. How are you? It's really nice to be here. We're really excited and talking about my dear friend and brother and your icon star, Allu Arjun. Why it happens every single time is because when passionate people come together,
right,
and when we have mutual adoration and admiration for each other, and you know what, the respect for each other grows when we really fall in love with the work that they do, right? So I always love the kind of hard work and work that he puts into his job. And the same way he also, even, okay, let me tell you like this, like even the movies that we haven't like worked together, like we appreciate each other still. So I think that bonding, then, it falls into place when we work together. So yeah, so that's how the magic happens, I guess.
Right. And how many times has he actually asked you to shake a leg with him on any of these songs, sir?
Oh, I think quite a few times we did a lot of promotional songs and stuff like that together.
So do we get to see any of that today, sir?
Oh.
Can we have some music? Come on, guys. Can we have some Jago Jago? Banta hai. For the first time ever here in Mumbai, DSP sir is gonna shake his shoulder. Come on, make some noise. Banta hai.
No. Okay, you also do that.
हाँ ठीक है sir. चलो. Can we have the music? I'll follow you, sir.
पत्तियां खाती है किरणें, पत्तियां खाती है किरणें, पत्तियों को खाता है बकरा, पत्तियों को खाता
Okay.
है बकरा.
Superb. The super duper star DSP sir. Thank you so much.
Credit goes to Allu Arjun.
है ना? ठीक है. Now we'll invite him on stage. But before that, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to invite on stage, sir. Please have a seat. A visionary.
I'm sorry. Before that, this is a nice occasion for me to give my wholehearted thanks to all the Hindi people for always, loving my music since the beginning. Like a lot of people might not know my face or know me personally, but they know my music. That makes me really happy. So a lot of incidents happen where they keep talking to me about my own songs, and I keep listening. Oh, Ajay, finally I say, you know what? I only did this song. Tune kiya? So that always pumped me up. So recently, also this year, the City Mar from Salman Bhai has become the biggest of this year, and a lot of other songs, Daddy, Mummy, Auntie, and all that. So thank you, Dinka Chaka, and all that. So love you guys. Even next we are coming up with some more Bollywood songs. Hope you'll give the same kind of love.
Yes.
And now all your love, please concentrate on Pushpa. Push your love towards Pushpa.
सर फिल्मों में काम करना है सर अब तो. मतलब म्यूजिक के अलावा आपको कुछ और करना है. नहीं इसीलिए मैंने बोला सर, मेरे को पता था पकड़ेंगे. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to invite on stage a visionary who's responsible. I would say who's responsible for all the Hindi-speaking fans getting up close and personal with Allu Arjun Garu. और इससे पहले कि he's given us a pan-India release. उससे पहले everybody knows him. He owns fourth largest YouTube channel in the country. Give it up for Mr. Manish Shah, ladies and gentlemen. More than 1.2 billion views. मतलब हो चुके हैं इतने. वो भी अल्लू सर की फिल्मों के ऊपर.
ये मेरा शहर, ये मेरी डगर, सर पे ये आकाश में.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
And congratulations on this. See, sir, the anticipation. या मैं कहूँ एंग्जाइटी हो रही है अब तो फैंस को सर कि बस दिखा दो कर दो क्या what do you have to say on this, sir?
Just how many hours to go? 16 hours? 16 hours to go? Before Allu sir comes here, live on screen?
Right. Sir, have you seen the movie?
Yeah.
What do you have to say? एक secret.
Outstanding. Fantastic.
And as I said, he's a visionary. तो ऐसे ही तो किसी चीज को back नहीं कर देंगे. So what do you have to say on acquiring the rights ऐसा हिंदी speaking belt के लिए? You are producing this film. What was that one thing that you saw in this movie and you've been distributing the content Allu sir का खास तौर पे? क्या दिखा था sir?
All the movies of Allu sir before this
Yeah.
have broken records
Yes.
on satellite. At least if I take you down, look at the movie Saranadu.
Right.
It for the first time came on satellite channel on Max, maybe 4.5 years back.
Right.
Even this movie in 2021,
Ji.
Jan, was the #1 movie across all movies in HS Hindi speaking market.
Whoa.
That's the power Allu sir has.
Indeed, sir.
His movies have broken all records on YouTube. 400 million plus views for DJ, 350 million views plus for Saranadu,
Right.
more than 200 million plus views for Son of Satyamurthy, 100 million views for Resh Gurram, July, etc., etc. The list is endless. So when a star is there who has won the hearts of the Hindi audience through his performance on satellite and on YouTube, he needs the biggest possible release in Hindi. So that's what I'm trying to achieve with Pushpa.
And you've already achieved it, sir. ये response देख के I can assure you of that कि ये तोड़ फोड़ होने वाली है, sir. तो congratulations.
It is going to happen.
He said it. The man has spoken. अब यहाँ पे sir की तरफ से आया. Sir, please be seated. Thank you so much
Just
for.
one thing.
Yes.
And when we meet here, maybe after 3 or 4 weeks, to celebrate the success of Pushpa, I think it should be a still big occasion.
सर मुझे जरूर बुलाइएगा.
जरूर, sure.
मैं आऊंगा, है ना? Mass party begins tomorrow, and उससे पहले thank you so much शाह साहब for bringing it up here. And how will I do this? Yeah, this is like the most difficult thing that I'll be doing today. Sir, please.
Sorry. No, I just would like to say a huge thanks to our lyric writer, Mr. Rakib Alamji. Rakib Bhaiya, thank you so much. He did a great job because it's not an easy thing to, own the lyrics and present it in such a way that you all loved it. That's why you're all loving the song so much. So thank you, Rakib Bhaiya. And I would like to thank my singers, Vishal ji especially. As soon as I asked, he sang this song, the song that you just heard. Thank you, Vishal sir. And thank you, Kanika Kapoor. Thank you, Sunidhi Chauhan. And all the other singers. Thank you so much. Thank you.
We are already in love with all the songs, sir. All the songs are chart busters. कल ऐसे ही कुछ फिल्म के साथ भी होने वाला है जब ये blockbuster होगी. So now it's time to invite on stage, ladies and gentlemen. कैसा emotions को control किया है यहाँ पे? She's gorgeous. She's talented. She's just amazing. Give it up for Rashmika Mandana, ladies and gentlemen. Zor. Kind of ganged up on you because they worked previously together. So कुछ था?
यार, they were extremely sweet.
Give us
I
some.
didn't feel like I
Give
was
us some
working
masala
with
ना,
them.
please.
मसाला नहीं है.
ठीक है, फिर please
कुछ
बता
मसाला नहीं
दीजिए.
है.
Tell us some good things about these individuals, please.
Good things है,
Yeah.
बहुत.
Yeah.
But First of all, before that, hi everybody. पहली बार बॉम्बे आके हमारा फिल्म प्रमोट कर रहे हैं तो बहुत बहुत नो एक्साइटेड हूँ. अच्छा लगा पता है यार. एक्साइटेड हूँ. बहुत खुश भी
उत्सुक हूँ.
हाँ उत्सुक हूँ. ఓకే మచ్ లేదండి తెలుగు ఇట్లా చెప్పకండి. लेकिन मैं अभी बहुत ही खुश हूँ. हाँ सबटाइटल्स
She's
में
very happy being here. She's very excited for the release of the movie. अच्छा हिंदी था क्या? अच्छा, अंग्रेजी. जी.
No, but coming to, I think, working in Pushpa, I think I've been blessed to do a film like this. मैं देख रही हूँ कि how people here love Arjun sir. It's an extremely happy moment for me because I'm celebrating his success as my own because I feel so personal with him. But I think I'm super happy. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I don't know, as in, I don't know how, I think, huh? Telugu? ఏంద్రా బాబు మీరు చెప్పండి. తెలుగు కావాలా, హిందీ కావాలా, ఇంగ్లీష్ కావాలా, ఏది చెప్పండి. తగ్గేదేలే, అది సార్ చెప్పాలిగా మనం ఇద్దరు. ఓకే సరే అయితే 17th कल से हमारा मास तగ్గేదేలే. Thank you.
Thank you so much. How was it when you were told about this movie for the first time? Like narration जब हुआ था, so what was going through आपके दिमाग में?
I think I'll tell you one secret.
Please.
I think none of us knew what we were getting into. I think it is such a beautifully done film that I had absolutely no idea. As in, I had like basic idea maybe, but I didn't know what I was getting into.
Right.
So it was all sort of magic what happened. This is the only film in my whole career that I've done without knowing what I was getting into. But but that's how special it is. That's how magical it was. And I think that's when all of us sort of blended together and got done with Pushpa.
Amazing, no? Pushpa.
ऐसा हाँ
It's just
करना है.
one day to go.